guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm out and about with my friends, so I'll take you along and show glimpse of the city of lakes, Udaipur. So we are going at this place called Jag Mandir, which is a palace built on an island in the Lake Pichola. सो जग मंदिर पहुंचने के लिए आपको जाना होगा सिटी पैलेस कॉम्प्लेक्स में, जहां की एंट्री टिकट है ₹30 पर पर्सन, और वहां से बंसी घाट जेट्टी से बोट राइड लेनी होगी जो कि आपको 20 to 30 मिनट्स में जग मंदिर पहुंचा देगी। यहाँ पे अंदर पार्किंग फैसिलिटी भी अवेलेबल है एंड द टाइमिंग फॉर जग मंदिर इज 10 AM to 6 PM फ्रॉम मंडे टू संडे। सो हम गए थे लंच पे, जिसके कवर चार्जेस थे 999 प्लस टैक्सेस, विच इंक्लूडेड बोट राइड एंड बुफे। So our boat has arrived. Let's go. Jag Mandir was constructed over a period of time by 3 Maharanas of the Mewar kingdom and was completed by Maharana Jagat Singh, so was named after him as Jag Mandir. So as you come close to the majestic Jag Mandir Palace, you cannot deny the fact that you have landed on a paradise. कढ़ाई पनीर, दम आलू, मखाना मेथी मलाई, दाल तड़का, जीरा राइस, नान, गुलाब जामुन and chocolate pastry for desserts. The food was delicious, everything was on point, especially this corn soup, makhana methi malai and dum aloo. I've been here twice recently and the food was delicious each time. My only disappointment was the variety in the buffet. But I guess the prices have reduced in the COVID times, so they have reduced the variety too. इतना ज़्यादा टेस्टी खाना खाने के बाद हम लोग लिटरली बैठ गए फॉर लाइक हाफ एन आवर एज वी कुडंट मूव। One of the best features of architecture in Jag Mandir are these life-size elephants which are made of marble. It is designed and crafted magnificently. Every nook and corner, interior and exterior, is royalty at its best. The beautiful garden courtyard is as mesmerizing as anything else in the Jagmandir area, and it is through this garden area that this palace is also known as Lake Garden Palace. It has Dari Khana restaurant, garden, museum, Gul Mahal to enjoy inside. Then we went to witness the museum inside the palace, which displays and retains some of the most important parts of the history of Mewar dynasty and culture. This is a must visit for historians who love to know about the places and the kings. So you can pause the video and read about them. So fun fact, Shah Jahan took quite a few ideas from the Jagmandir construction to put into the Taj Mahal. ये वाले गार्डन एरिया में काफ़ी सारे वेडिंग इवेंट्स, पार्टीज, ओकेजन्स सेलिब्रेट होते हैं एंड रवीना टंडन वॉज द फर्स्ट वन टू गेट मैरिड हियर. We had a lovely time here, then we went to our next destination, that is this restaurant called the Whistling Teal. This place had the finest ambience and aesthetics to suit every mood. This was the perfect evening with magnificent views, and we also spotted some peacocks. So हमने ऑर्डर किया था ये हनी चिली पनीर, which was quite delicious and is a must try here. Then we ordered some fries and hot chocolate, and the hot chocolate was quite okay in taste. And this is how the inside sitting area looks like. And this is the view from the rooftop. This place has some amazing views of infinity pool and beautiful colors of sky, so you can come here for some chill vibes with your friends and family. So that's it for this highly requested video. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And if you like the video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more such interesting videos. See you in the next one. Bye bye.